Hey guys, as you already know, Anthropic Claude Fable 5 is breaking all the benchmarks right now and has officially taken the crown as the ultimate Mythos class AI model for developers. As I have uploaded a previous video on how to get Claude Fable 5 for free, a lot of subscribers commented that they run into major step issue, got stuck along the way, or just couldn't get it work smoothly, or it's not working. Well, today I'm solving that problem for you. Instead of jumping through complicated hoops, in this video I'm going to introduce you to an incredible new platform where you can easily access, test and use Claude Fuel 5 completely free of cost. As you can see right now here on my screen, I'm dropping a prompt into the interface, and here you can see it is executing advanced logical responses instantly at zero cost, and here is the finalized answer. If you want to know, make sure to watch the video till the end because I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial how you can do this. Okay, so make sure to like it, share the video and subscribe our channel as well. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So simply go to my description. I have provided a link there. You have to just click on it and you will be redirected to this platform, that is Interface AI. Now here you can see a login button. Click on it, and here you can just use your email password. Okay, but I'm going with continue with Google. So after login, the page will be redirected to here, and you can see below there is a Claude Fuel 5 showing and also API key, but we won't use because that is paid. So here you can see Claude Fuel 5. Click on it, and here you can see there is a free tier available. Click on it, and here just click on I understand, and that's all. Here you can see a chatbot open and Claude Fable 5 is selected. Now here let's type hello to check is it really working or not, because you can say this model should be working. If not, then we will try something different. So here it start just checking, and here you got the response, so it means it's working properly. And now it's time to check the real thing. So you already know, in our previous video I tried a new thing like create a landing page for owners. So I will do the same prompt here. Okay, create a landing page for business owner having a hotel business. Okay, and I also do the same thing like create a single HTML file that containing all the scripting and styling. Now let's see, is it really working properly like the previous one or not, or is it better than previous one? So let's test it out, and if it is better than previous one means it is actually a real model. And yeah, so let's see it start coding. As you can see, and here you can see I'm using Claude Fable 5. And in the meantime guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe our channel and share the video to all. Okay, so you never miss any update. So make sure to hit the bell icon as well. So here you can see it start styling the part like internal CSS it is using. Okay, and here all the styling it is going to do. So let's see what it creates. So guys, finally it's done, and here is the code. Now what I will do is simply go to VS Code. Here you can see the test folder, and I will create a new file, that is new fable.html. Okay, and now I'm going to paste all the codes from there to here. Okay, so guys, I have pasted the code, and here you can see it's about 700 lines of code and it's look perfect. So finally guys, it's time to check this code. Okay, so what we will do is first, here we have the previous code here as well, and here is our new code. So let's first open the previous code here. So open with live server. As many subscribers says that it's not a Fable 5, so let's see is it or not. So here I have opened the new as well, and if you take a look, the design is very similar to the new one, because yeah, the Fable is, it's a Fable. This proves that the previous model we are using, it's Fable, and yeah, the new model is also a Fable. Okay, but the new model looks pretty crazy guys, the design looks good. If we just go below here you can see there is a check-in button as well, and also the about us looks good as well with some animations as well, and here you can see the design looks good. If I just go below here, we have gallery, then we have just guest reviews, and then here we can see there is a image, that is parallax effect, looks good, and the design looks pretty. But here in the previous video we created this design, and the design, the architecture looks very similar to the new one, but the design is not good as the new one. You can go and check this out, guys, because I have created the same thing, and the design is quite similar. But yeah, the animations and the design is different. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt or anything, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so you don't have to do much things. You have to just go log in and do all these stuffs. So go and check this out, guys, and let me in the comment section what you feels. Okay, and please make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and share the video to all, so I get motivations to create these type of videos in the future as well. Okay, so that's all about today's video, and I hope you like this video. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.